Let's take a look at a prototype of the website using a Surface Pro 8 viewport. This is for the desktop view. As you can see here, we have the hero with a button that says Order Now. We also have featured products, and then we have a carousel for images that we can flip through. Lastly, we have a contact section. We can press this button here to go all the way up. In the navigation bar, we can use these to access the other pages. Let's access the About page. We scroll down, and same here, we can press the button to go up. Let's go to Contact, and then we can press Order and look through the ordering page. We can go home by pressing this logo, and then we can also access the Order Products pages using the Order Now call to action button. Let's now take a look at a tablet breakpoint. We're using an iPad for this example. And as you can see, instead of a left alignment, we're now using a center alignment. We have bigger buttons over here. You might also notice that the navigation bar is now condensed with icons. As for the layout grids, I now have 4 as opposed to 8 for the desktop. This still interacts the same, and we have bigger buttons as I mentioned earlier. We can press this still to scroll all the way up. Now let's look at other pages using the icons. That's contacts, and then we have 3 products in each row for the products page. We can still click this to go up. We're now looking at a mobile breakpoint. We're using an iPhone to demonstrate this prototype. As you can see, I'm centering the text to make use of the limited space. And then I'm using 2 columns of grids for this as opposed to 4 for the tablet and 8 for the desktop. We can still access the scroll up buttons. We can still interact with the elements the same way as the tablet. Let's scroll up, and then let us access other pages as well using the icons. That is contact, and then this is the product offering, which only uses 1 card each row. And then at the bottom you will see I'm using a lazy load. And then let's go up. Let's go back home and test the buttons from the home page. The products worked, the Order Now buttons worked, and then the carousel images also flipped through. And that is the demonstration of my prototypes.